Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna unboxing my new diecast. So let's go.
Twelve seconds later.
Here you go. Kecil je. Wow, very nice. Okay, so here I got with the protector. Okay, so let's go. We open. So let's go. We see. Oops. Okay. Oh. Wow. Okay, so here I get the Night 11 GT2RS on blue color. Not sure if it is the color code is Rivera blue. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's open. Then here. So we can see that it comes with black wheels and silver calipers. Okay, silver calipers and carbon fiber roof and carbon fiber front bonnet and carbon fiber rear spoiler with Porsche badge. Okay, so I get the number of limited edition 1722 out of 2020 worldwide. Okay, very nice details.